In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Go on your desktop. Grammarly Go is an intelligent AI assistant integrated into Grammarly that extends beyond mere grammar checking. This tool can assist you in generating text, rewriting content, adjusting your tone, providing ideas, and even summarizing your writing. Available as part of the Grammarly browser extension for both Chrome and Edge, as well as within Grammarly's Docs editing interface, it promises to be a comprehensive aid for all your writing needs. Keep in mind, though, especially if you're using the free account, there's a quota on the number of prompts you can utilize in a certain time frame. To begin using Grammarly Go, you'll first need to verify that Grammarly is already installed on your system. If you're using a web browser, you'll want to install the Grammarly extension available for Chrome and Edge. Alternatively, if you prefer using Grammarly's online platform, simply visit app.grammarly.com to access the web version. Once you have Grammarly set up, your next step is to enable the Go or AI chat feature. If you're using the browser extension, this can be done by clicking on the Grammarly icon located in your browser's toolbar. From there, navigate to the Settings menu, where you'll find an option labeled Use Superhuman Go or Our New Experience. Turning this feature on will activate Grammarly Go. For those using the Grammarly editor, look for the AI Chat or Go button located on the side of your screen and click it to start. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to start using Grammarly Go in your writing. As you work on a web page or document, you might notice a panel or tab marked Superhuman or Go appearing alongside whenever the extension detects a text area. Clicking this tab will launch the assistant. Here, you can input various requests, such as asking it to rewrite this paragraph in a friendlier tone, summarize this email, or even generate an outline for a blog post about a specific topic. There are also preset prompts available, and you can select sections of your text and request improvements. Additionally, Grammarly Go offers flexibility in tone and style adjustments. As you generate or rewrite text, you can specify the tone you want, be it formal, casual, or appreciative, and even choose a specific dialect or language style, such as US English or UK English, to suit your audience. Finally, keep an eye on your usage limits. If you're on the free tier, there's a set limit on how many prompts you can use, and exceeding this limit will require you to either wait until it resets or to consider upgrading for more frequent access. That wraps up our guide on utilizing Grammarly Go for desktop. Incorporate this powerful tool into your writing process to elevate your communication and creativity effortlessly. Thank you for joining, and happy writing.